All right, what up YouTube? We're gonna dive deep into some Flux price predictions. Ready? Let's get it. Taking a look at Flux. Flux currently has a circulating supply of 279 million. Price points around 68 cents. Take supply times price. It gives a market cap of roughly $187 million. Taking a look at Flux tokenomics. If you invested in Flux today and the price point is 70 cents, market cap is 190. I always round and keep it simple. For you to 2x on that investment and for price to hit 140, market cap would need to be 380. 10x $7, 1.9 billion. 20x $14, 3.8 billion. 100x $70, 19 billion. And for you to 1000x on a Flux investment and for Flux to hit $700, market cap would need to be 190 billion. Now this next site's really interesting. Now this next website is called Bunny Analytics, and it actually is tracking all of Flux's revenues, not just their revenues, but their sales, their growth, their quarterly growth, their annual growth, like every single statistic you'd want to see about a blockchain to determine if it's a smart investment. Is the asset generating revenue? How are they generating revenue? What are their predicted revenue streams over the next year, 2 years, 5 years? I mean, pretty insane to see exactly how much demand there's going to be for an asset. Over the next 4 years, they're predicting that the revenue stream for Flux will be 125,000 Flux. And then over the next 5 years, they're saying 300,000 Flux. That's a massive demand for an asset. Then if we scroll down, we can see the top 5 monthly recurring revenue contributors: Kadena, Nexen, Presearch, Caspa, Ravencoin, Handshake, Polkadot nodes, Ravencoin's Presearch, Caspa, Cbro. You know, just pretty interesting to see all the different revenue streams that Flux has going on over here. Now, if we take a look at the business metrics, we can see there's almost 1,300 paying apps that are actually paying to use the Flux ecosystem. Sweet. I mean, how sweet is that, guys, right? You can actually see every way that Flux is generating revenue, and I think that this is how the whole space is going to be, because when you're wanting to make smart long-term investments, these are the type of metrics that you really need to see, and it's so transparent. It's really good job, Flux. Bunny Analytics, big shout out. That's huge. Now, the next website I like to check out is Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush tracks cryptocurrencies based off of popularity. Unfortunately, if we jump on the 3-month time frame, things look great. But over the last month, quite drastically not up to par with Flux's normal standards. One day Flux is coming back though. So 3 month looks really good. 3 months looks really good, but you know, we're in the middle of a bear market. You know, it is to be expected. The next site I like to check out is Codex. Codex uses machine learning and AI indicators to make price predictions. Over the next 5 days, they're saying Flux down to 58 cents. Over the next 1 month, they're saying Flux down to 29 cents. 3 months are saying 32 cents, 6 months are saying $1.43, and 1 year they're saying $1.35. According to our current Flux price predictions, the value of Flux is predicted to drop by 12.58% and reach a target of 58 cents by October 28th of 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish, while the fear and greed index is showing 23, extreme fear. Flux recorded 7 out of 30 green days with an average price velocity of 8.29%. Taking a look at the Fear and Greed Index, based off our current data from October 23rd of 2022 at 7 a.m., the general Flux price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 3 technical indicators showing bullish signals and 27 signaling bearish signals. So if we jump back over here to the daily time frame, this red zone right here is where I was saying that we had a major area of support, and as of now, that support is holding. If that support doesn't hold, the next support would be back down here at about 40 cents. So, stated before, I'm the worst at making Flux price predictions. I would just say that you are definitely in a DCA zone. Flux is always going to surprise you. Every time you think it's going to come lower, it doesn't. So I would say that this is definitely a key DCA zone. If I didn't already have some Flux, I would have added some at 60 cents, 62 cents, give or take, somewhere in that zone. I'd say 65 cents even. 65 cents, 52 cents, and then again back down here around 40 if it comes back down to 40, which I don't think it's gonna, honestly. Flux has a big snapshot on the 31st, so expect to see some type of bullish movements coming for that 31st snapshot, because you could buy Flux on the 30th, put it in your wallet, get the snapshot, and make 5%. So I definitely think that there's going to be some bullish momentum coming in here for the snapshots, but then there could be bearish momentum coming after the snapshot. So it all just depends. If Flux does find support above 60 cents and the market gets bullish, that next rally, I think we'll see Flux run backwards, upwards of like 104, give or take 105. Quite possibly up as high as like $1.30, somewhere in that range. But obviously markets are going to have to get extremely bullish for that to happen. So mainly just wanted to share that Bunny Analytics site with you guys. Do me a favor, guys, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.